That is f***ing cool. I like that. F***ing wonderful. I like that. Yes. Next video is going to be... Okay, so this is a video I've already reacted to, but never live. I just want to show you guys it because I love it so much. I'm pretty sure Spencer sent it to me. I just love it so much.
Buy a sandwich!
Oh, I'm good.
Buy a goddamn sandwich!
No,
Buy a sandwich! Buy a sandwich!
I just love this video.
Buy a goddamn sandwich!
No,
Buy a sandwich!
You wake up in the morning, that's coming at you. Alright, let's watch, Lucas. How do I say this? Odisseia?
Chupa meus pauzinhos!
F_do_foam, welcome to the family.
Why, thank you! Obrigada! Yay! Very sweet of you! Thank you very much! So, what was I saying? We are gonna watch Lucas ODISSEIA. I think that's what, I think that's how you say it. ODISSEIA. I think. Thinkies. What do you mean nope? ODISSEIA. ODISSEIA. I said the same thing. ODISSEIA. 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 Yeah. ODISSEIA. Yes? No? ODISSEIA. 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 Yes? Yes? No? Yes? No? ODISSEIA. 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 Yes? Alright, let's see what Lucas is cooking. Let him cook. He's on an old couch. He's sat on the bed, on the floor, on the bed floor. Oh, now he's in bed, tucked in. Ooh, he's got a flame. He's got a flame. A lighter. He's got the good old lighter. Oh, shit. I like the creepy balloons. Okay, I'll turn off this. They're not working. I love the creepy balloons though. Oh shit, those guitars! Okay, one thing I will say right away off the bat though. He's supposed to be screaming, but he's just like, his mouth, you can't see me, but his mouth's just open, he's like, Why? Why you no scream? With you, at least like, you're like dying, at least go, ah! Or something, like, do something. I don't know about that one. The rest is cool, but not the scream part. Looks like he's trying to catch flies. The guitar though, yes! Ooh! Beats! Get the beats. The guitar, I think, is the best part of the song. It makes the song. Without the guitar, I don't know. And the drums. You gotta say thank you to the drums. What is he saying, you guys? What is he singing about? still going. You see, that's the only thing that's bugging me, is he's just sitting there, and when he screams, he's just like, I don't know why that's bugging me. Everything else is fine. Like, I like how he's just kind of like dying. He's just depressed and laying there, and he's singing the song. It looks good, like, it's cool. I like it until he screams. Until he screams, and he's just like, I don't know. That's the only part that's bugging me. I don't know. I don't know why.
Are you done?
Oh, okay. Oh, that changed. That changed heavily. Okay. Fucking changed so much. Ooh! Ooh, wait! Oh, I love that visual, Oh, yes! That should be his album cover. That should be the song's cover. That is f***ing cool. I like that. F***ing wonderful. I like that. Yes. That's good. It's real good. Hello, thank you! Oh, hi, Lucas. What are you doing, Rage? I love— ooh, the rain! The rain. Oh, he's dancing by himself. The rain is magnificent, by the way. The concept of rain indoors, I just love that. It always reminds me of depression, sadness, despair. If you do it in a very artistic light like that, cool. I love rain indoors because it symbolizes so many different things. I like that. Very nice. Very nice. Oh, I love that. Oh, that's the end? Oh, thank God. Oh, man. I don't want to be sleeping tonight and have that happen. Yeah, no, so no thank you. No thank you. That's some horror movie shit. I don't like that. So, I definitely liked this song. I have no complaints about it. It's just that weird, like, you're yelling. It's just him yelling, and then he's just like, I don't know. That's the only thing bugging me. The guitar and drums. Yes! I love that. Did he just say, yeah, say, That's the only thing bugging me. What is he talking about? The Odyssey of Finding Yourself. Yeah, but what are the general lyrics? Because I want to know what... Maybe then this would make sense. The, where he's just sitting there like, Maybe then it would make more sense, because I don't know what he's singing about. But, no, I love the drums. The guitar is f***ing amazing. I love the visuals. I mean, it's an enjoyable video. And if you like rock music and metal music, you're gonna enjoy this. I don't see why you wouldn't. I love this kind of music. I have a literal playlist on my Spotify for just intense music, and I can throw this on there, on that playlist. Because I enjoyed that. I can throw this song, if he has Spotify, of course, if he uploaded it to Spotify. I can take this and throw it on there, because I enjoyed the song. It's a good song. I remember accepting the inherent chaos, but ultimately everything is about looking forward. Trying to find myself in lost in my mind, senseless fear, no way out. The needle keeps spinning and I'm asking myself, where am I going? Stuck in the infinite odyssey of discovering who I am. Lost amidst the waves of my own self, the voices inside screaming. I don't know what that word means. I'm gonna avoid that word. I think it's a Portuguese word. You didn't even notice, and it's already late, or too late. And not with all the time in the world, I would be able to, these irrelevant flies consume your shine and keep you. I love how I'm talking about flies earlier, and in the lyrics, apparently there's flies. These irrelevant flies consume your shine and keep you stuck on the ground. No, so I'm gonna throw this on my playlist. I enjoyed this song. I have no complaints. I love the visuals. It's just the with the screaming part. That's just bugging me. But the song, very well done. I liked this a lot. I don't want to say I loved it, but I liked it. I definitely liked it, and it's going on my playlist. So good job, Lucas. It is on Spotify. Perfect. That frame of Lucas is smash. Oh my, Dante, you sassy boy. Calm it down there, sonny boy. Calm it down. I love